In the heart of the Rainbow Kingdom, a courageous explorer senses a growing darkness. News of a looming curse spreads through the kingdom, casting a shadow over its inhabitants. With resolve in her heart, the young adventurer sets out to seek answers and restore the fading colors. Minds come together, united in purpose to aid the brave soul in her mission to save the kingdom. Trials test her courage as Luna pushes forward, seeking a way to break the curse's hold. A sinister force schemes in the shadows, seeking to thwart Luna's efforts and maintain its grip on the kingdom. A revelation dawns, illuminating a path to break the curse and restore the kingdom's lost hues. Forces collide in a climactic battle, the outcome uncertain as Luna fights to dispel the encroaching darkness. With a triumphant cry, the curse shatters, and the kingdom is reborn in a kaleidoscope of vibrant colors. Cheers and laughter fill the air as the kingdom celebrates its savior and the return of its lost colors. A monarch's gratitude knows no bounds as he thanks the hero who brought light back to their world. In unity and harmony, the Rainbow Kingdom thrives once more, a testament to the courage and resilience of one young soul.